Hi, I'm Divyaa Advaani, an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach, and founder of the brand Suave. I'm also an author of the book called 101 Tips and Tricks to Enhance and Upgrade Yourself and Your Image, which is available on Amazon worldwide. I'll put the link in the description box below. On my channel, I discuss about various aspects of image consulting, image management, etiquette building, soft skills coaching, and a lot more. Investing in the right set of accessories could actually be very wise. Men, unlike women, do not have a larger variety of accessories to choose from. Rather, they should invest in something that is more worthwhile. You could style yourself up with a customized lapel pin or a customized belt buckle. You could also opt for having a range of good quality watches which you can rotate with different outfits each day. Adding a good quality pocket square to your blazer or jacket for a certain occasion could also help you look very classy. Pick your accessories depending on the occasions. Do not overdo the usage of accessories with one specific look. You would want to invest in quality over quantity so that it makes you look much classier and poised. For course enrollments and appointments, you can log on to my website www.divyaadvanistore.com. You could also subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to see detailed videos.